It is advisable to clean the oven kit every month or every 1,000 pizzas. All operations must be carried out by habilitated persons. To remove the oven kit, start by installing the press. Press the system button, then move. Unlock the safety button. It must not be released during the entire procedure. Assemble the press. Lower the oven door. Start by opening the electrical panel door. Then switch off circuit breakers D21 and D22. Let the oven come down to temperature. Remove the faceplate. Unscrew the cover butterfly screws and remove it. Then remove the oven drawer. The oven kit can be cleaned in a dishwasher. Install the replacement oven kit or the cleaned oven kit, with the slots facing up. Tighten the butterfly screws. Replace the faceplate by inserting each hook in its slot. Install the oven door. Restore power to circuit breakers D21 and D22. After this, you can start a cycle. To do so, press the system button. Then launch a cycle. Indicate a pizza number. Choose to cook the pizza or not. Indicate the cooking time, a cooking temperature and a cooking power. Then start the cycle. Close the hot tray door.